Good afternoon, kids. How are you all? Say, I'm fine, thank you. Yes, so what we will do today? We will do our rhyme, Dabbu or Cheety. Look what ma'am has made on board. Dabbu, Dabbu ji. And this is Cheety. This is Dabbu ji. अपन बोलते हैं ना डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी. Yes. So shall we start? Shall we start? Okay. डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी.
Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी. चींटी उस पर एक चढ़ी. शोर मचाते डब्बू राम. चींटी नीचे गिरी धड़ाम. फूट गया चींटी का सर. डब्बू भाग गया डर कर. Yes, very good. We will do again, okay? Yes. डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी. चींटी उस पर एक चढ़ी. शोर मचाते डब्बू राम. चींटी नीचे गिरी धड़ाम. फूट गया चींटी का सर. डब्बू भाग गया डर कर. Yes, very good all of you. So we will revise it again, okay? Yes. डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी. Do all of you? डब्बू जी की तोंद बड़ी. चींटी उस पर एक चढ़ी. शोर मचाते डब्बू राम. चींटी नीचे गिरी धड़ाम. फूट गया चींटी का सर. डब्बू भाग गया डर कर. Very good all of you, very good. So you have to learn this rhyme, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. All right, kids. Chalo. So, kids, now we are going to do 3-letter words of E sound. हमने A sound के words करे थे. So, from today, we are going to start our E sound words. So, everyone kindly pay attention. देखो. Ma'am had told you in the beginning only कि look here everyone. हमने E sound के A sound के words पढ़े थे. Today we are going to write E sound words. Okay. So अब इन दोनों में difference क्या होता है? What is the difference between A and E sound words? Yes. So whenever we say the A sound word, so हमारा मुंह पूरा खुलेगा. P-A-N, pan. ठीक है. बट ई का साउंड में ऐसा नहीं है. ई के साउंड को हम खींचेंगे नहीं. P-E-N, पेन. ठीक है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस. ये आपको हमेशा याद रखना है. P-A-N, pan, and P-E-N, pen. This is the difference. Okay. Now, B-A-G, B-E-G. इन दोनों वर्ड्स में, in these two words, the B and G letter are same. B and G letters are same. Okay. इनमें ये दोनों letter same है. Only the difference is of middle letter. Middle letter में एक जगह A है, एक जगह E है. मिडिल लेटर में एक जगह A है और एक जगह E है. ओके. सो B-A-G, बैग. एवरीवन से आपको डिफरेंस पता चलेगा. जहां पर A आता है, when A comes in any letter, in any word, so we have to open our mouth fully. Bag. And जब E आता है, B-E-G, so it becomes beg. What it becomes? It becomes beg. Okay, bag, beg, pan, pen. Understood? This is the difference between A sound words और E sound words. A sound के words को हम खींचते हैं and E sound के words को हम नहीं खींचते. This is the difference. Okay. Chalo. Now, kids, get your English copy and write down today's date in the top left corner of the copy. Chalo. Now, let's start the 3-letter words of E sound. 3-letter words E sound start करने से पहले first of all we have to revise the 2-letter words of E sound. ठीक है? First of all we are going to revise it again. 2-letter words of E sound, फिर हम 3-letter words start करेंगे. चलो, everyone pay attention. E, N, N, N नहीं पढ़ेंगे, N, E, N, N, E, T, et, E, T, et, then E, D, ed, E, D, ed. Devyanshi, pay attention. E, G, egg. Egg नहीं पढ़ेंगे. अगर यहाँ पर E की जगह if you had written A, so we read it like egg and this is egg. Okay, egg and egg. I'm trying to show the difference between the E sound and A sound. आप इसे याद रखना. Okay, the difference between the E and A sound words are के A sound के words हम खींचते हैं egg and E sound के words नहीं खींचते egg like this. Okay, and E, B, ebb. Okay, kids. Now, in your copy, open your copy and write down today's date. And look in the, if you are not having your copy, no, your copy is missing. So you write down in the rough copy. Then afterwards, write it in the copy. Chalo, now start. Number 1. D plus E N. D says the and then the and then. Then the house of lion. Then the lion lives in den. D plus ENN. The and then. The and then. At least write down 2 times each word. If you are having more space, then you can write it three times as well. The and then. Now, the next one is read and write. Then, to plus and 10. T says to and 10. TE and 10. TE and 10. Write down, I am writing it 1 time only, but you have to write it at least 2 times. And if you are having more space in your copy, then you can write it 3 times. Say with phonic sound, okay? T says to and a n. To and 10. Can नहीं पढ़ेंगे. अगर यहाँ पर a होता, then we say tan. But here it is e given. So we say it to tan. 10. To 10. Then number 3 is po pen. Po pen. P says pa, pen. Pa, pen. Read with phonic sound. Okay? Then you are able to read any words. Pen. Okay. Then the next one is H E N. Hen. Okay. Come on, read it using your phonic sound. Come on. H says her. n. H, a, n, hen. Read with phonic sound. H says h, E says e, N says n. H, a, n, hen. H, a, n, hen. D, a, n, den. T, a, n, ten. P, a, n, pen. And H, a, n, hen. Okay, so kids, again I'm repeating, ma'am is writing only one time, but you have to write it 2 times. And if you are having more space over there, then write it 3 times. So I have no space here, so I'm erasing the first and the second one. Then number 5th is men. M, E, N, men. Men. M, E, N, men. M says ma, E says e, N says na. अब हम इसे सबको जोड़ेंगे. M, E, N, men. Men. Men means more than one man. एक आदमी से ज्यादा अगर होता है, that is men. M-E-N, men. Read it, kids. Before writing, you have to read it. Before writing, kindly read it. Come on, come on. Okay, you correct it. Sorry. M-E-N. Men. Then, number 6. Read it and then write it. Reading is very, very, very important. Okay, use the phonic sounds to read. Then, number 6. B, E, G. B says B, E says E or G. B, E, G, beg. Beg. B, E, G, beg. Beg means भीख मांगना. Beg. B, E, G, beg. M, men, bag. Then written. If you are having any kind of confusion between A sound words and E sound words, you kindly ask me. Kindly ask me. Number 7. Lo, g, leg. Lo, g, leg. L says lo, E says G says g. Lo, g, leg. Lo, g, leg. Leg to you all know. What is leg? पैर हमारा, पैर, leg. Lo, g, leg. Lo, g, leg. Say the phonic sound and read and write. Again, I'm repeating, when A sound and E sound, that there is some difference. दोनों का sound A है, but there is some difference. A sound हम लोग खींचते हैं A, and E sound like this. Okay. B-A-G, bag, and B-E-G, back. There's a difference between the two sound words. And the last one is keg. K, E, and G. K-E-G, keg. Keg is a wooden container, a kind of wooden container. Keg. Keg is the kind of wooden container. K, E, G, keg. Again say the phonic sound. K says K. E says E. And G says G. K, E, G, keg. Read and then write. Yes, are you just read, beta? Men. MEN, men. Then beg. BEG, beg. Leg. Then KEG, keg. Keg is a type of wooden container. Keg. So kids, reading is very important. So read it using the phonic sound. Come on everyone. Say with mom. 1, 0, 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Okay. Come on, say again with mom. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. So this is reverse counting, matlab ulti counting. What is this? Reverse counting. Okay. Chalo kids, now we'll end our class. So join your hands together. Start. The school is over for us today. Done our work, done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. Okay, kids, have a nice day. Bye-bye. Take care. We'll meet in our next class. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.